Pwede ba mo demand ko og respeto gikan nimo? Like kinahanglan inig-abot na ako, respetaron gyud nimo ha. Kung unsa akong gusto nga pagrespetar nimo nako, mao ang imong ihatag nako. Kung dili ko nimo marespetar sa akong gusto nga pagrespetar nimo, you are offending me. Og nakasa ka, you're doing a crime, a violent crime against me. Pwede ba na? Tanawan niya ang video ay na sa airplane o niya nikuha siya ticket o niya ang ihan ticket kay gi-identify niya as man. Niya tanaw sa crew kay dili man siya lalaki. Awa.
Can't talk man to man? We can't talk man to man?
I don't think that's possible.
That's not possible? Why?
I don't think it's possible because
Why?
there's only one man standing in this aisle right now. Now
And it's
sit
me.
down, little miss,
And it's
before
me,
I go ahead and
like
get.
child.
I'm going to go ahead and get TSA to come on this plane and haul you off.
Why would
You want to
they-
make that big of a show
Why
about
would
it?
they haul me off?
You wanna make
Because
that
I
big of a show-
identify
because
as
you're
a
not
male?
confirming the
And you
docket that I have.
You don't want to identify me as such?
The government chose what to identify you when you were born in a hospital. They wrote M or F next to your birth certificate.
Okay,
that
it's my life.
That was dictated by a power much
it's
greater
my life,
than mine.
and I don't
all right?
feel that way.
A higher
I feel
power
like
than me.
I'm a
I'm not
man,
the
so I'm a
authority.
man.
I'm not the authority that assigned you.
You need
what
to
you
get-
were
she need
assigned.
to get
Okay?
up
on
It's
stage.
much
Any authority
power
at all.
provided.
She need to get out.
See, you don't have an authority at all. Meaning, di ko mo ila kung bisag kinsa pa ka. Pwede ba na? Kay, kinahanglan kung unsa nga klase nga respeto ang gusto nako, you should treat me as a man, matud ba niya? Ya kung dili, it doesn't matter if you're an authority. No, kuya was
Thank you, sir. If you continue this display, if you cannot confirm what my docket says here, that there are in fact two ladies sitting in this aisle,
There is one,
Then
I'm sorry,
you're gonna have
a
to
lady,
leave.
correct? There is one lady
You're gonna have to
and
leave.
one man.
well, that's not what it says I need in these seats in order to fly. So if you're going to continue to fight the facts that I'm looking at right here, then I'm going to have to haul you off because you could be a dangerous person. We don't know. We have no way of confirming
Because
this.
I identify as a male.
Because you're not the
Because I
person
am a
on my
male?
list. You're not the
Because
person
I
on my
am
list.
a man?
It's a simple one of two answers.
Are you mad?
Nag-wonder ko na ba because I identify as a man, because I am a man. You can identify bisag unsa ka imuha man na, pero ay gipugos nga dawaton to sa uban ang imong unahuna. Bisan gani ang akong opinion, dili man gani nimo dawaton. Kay imuha to. Imuha ng personal nga preference. Parihara na sa kung ganahan ko mo kaon og cake o nya ikaw di kinahanglan ba masuko ko nimo kay di ka mo kaon og cake, or ang akong preference kay ganahan ko mag barbecue nya kay dili ka mo kaog barbecue, ma-offended ko. Nga nang idea ba? Ambot lang ha, sakto ba ka na or mapariha ta sa sunod na post na ko nga mahadlok na nun ang uban mo tingog.